Assalamu alaikum friends and viewers. I hope you all are fine and focusing on your goals and studies. Welcome back to my channel Unknown Study. Topic is collision. What is collision? When two bodies are close to each other and they interact with each other. Like these are the two bodies. They interact with each other uh, and touch each other by a force. So this is called collision. टकराना एक दूसरे से, that is called collision. Or there are two types of collision: elastic collision and inelastic collision. In the exam there is a short question: differentiate between elastic and inelastic collision. So here it is the difference. Number one, first we have to write the definition. What is elastic collision? In elastic collision, in which kinetic energy and linear momentum is conserved or constant. Linear momentum is conserved or constant. What is inelastic collision? First we will write the definition. Collision in which kinetic energy is not conserved. Means here is kinetic energy is not constant. Kinetic energy is not conserved even through linear momentum is conserved. Means kinetic energy is not constant but linear momentum is constant. Linear momentum can be constant or cannot be. Momentum can be / cannot be conserved. This is the first point. Next point is explanation. Explanation would be real collision in real world are rarely elastic. In real world, elastic collision does not appear. There is no chance of elastic collision in the because number one, sum of interconversion of kinetic energy, and second point is some energy leaves the system. Truly elastic collision occurs between atomic and subatomic particles. Now the third point is example. Example is ball through marble floor. And the explanation of inelastic collision: kinetic energy is lost. Collision in our daily life is inelastic collision. The kinetic energy is lost. Collision in our daily life is inelastic collision. Elastic collision. Kinetic energy initial is equal to kinetic energy final. Here kinetic energy initial is bouncing off two tennis. Bouncing or collision between two tennis. Collision is better word. Collision between two tennis balls. This is the example of energy is not equal to potential energy. Here kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy final. Kinetic energy initial is equal to kinetic energy final. And here kinetic energy in inelastic collision, kinetic energy initial is not equal to kinetic energy final.